So a for loop is basically a shorthand for most cases where a while loop is used. In a while loop, we're almost always going to initialize an increment variable. We're going to have a condition that we're going to check against to see how many times we need to loop through this while statement. And then in the code, we're going to increment the I variable somewhere along the way. So the for loop assumes that we're going to have all three of these things, and it puts it inside of the parentheses here at the top. It separates each of these sections with a semicolon here. The first part is the initialization of the variable that we're going to add to. The next is the condition that we're going to check. And the third is where we increment our variable. This execution is a little cleaner. Notice that our while statement has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, but our for statement only has 3. The actual code that we're using on the inside is identical to the code that we're using in the while statement.